While speaking to reporters at the State BJP office on the 19th of January 2023, its state president Earnest Mawrie informed that the party is anticipating a win in 10 out of the 25 seats, although it is expected that there will be candidates contesting from all the 60 seats for the upcoming assembly elections. This, he further added, has been concluded through a survey conducted by an independent agency across the state of Meghalaya. On the withdrawal of support to the MDA government, Earnest Mawrie informed that the matter is pending with the central leadership in New Delhi.
We are expecting to win more than that. But you see, we are in line with the survey also. We'll just not go for just a press report or a piece of paper. We are working in the ground. So whatever report I have tabled in the Central Executive Committee meeting, that is fact. With the survey, decision will take by a central leader. We have already discussed with them several times. So, the NPP, it is not a partner only in the Meghalaya. They are in the NDA also. So, decision will be taken by the higher. Resolution that is NEC statement on Garib Kalyan, an article of faith for double engine NDA government. I think we are very specified on this Garib Kalyan Yojana because our NDA government, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, we have provided a free ration till 12 December. And on top of free ration, we have given also the 3 rupees rice. So that also, it is very popular in Meghalaya. If you go to even to the remote areas also, people they know or how Modi. So we have the data with us where the membership drive which we have conducted recently, we have reached to almost 1 lakh. People have joined in our party. That is missed call 65,176, Unity missed call 45,195, and some of them, they have registered themselves as a members through the landing page. So total, almost we are crossing 1 lakh. So this is the process where we are going to face this coming election. And I have already given the statement before also. We are going to contest in all the 60 seats. Where from the party, we have already notified the date receiving the application in plain paper from 8th of January till 15th of January. We have received almost from all the constituencies, all the mandal, the application from the candidate. Only few constituency left, which already some of the candidates approach us to contest the election.